Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Trello labels and custom fields for tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Trello and log into your account. Navigate to the board you want to work with. Locate the list that contains the cards you want to verify. Click on one of the cards to open it. In the card view, look for the Labels section on the right side. Identify the existing labels attached to the card. To add a new label, click on the Labels option. Choose an existing label or create a new one by selecting Create a new label. Customize the new label with a name and color. After making changes, ensure to save your updates. Now, close the card view to return to the board. Next, navigate to the top menu and select Show menu. Click on More and then select Custom Fields. If you don't, fill in the details for the custom field and click Save. Next, return to your card and open it once again. Look for the Custom Fields section, usually positioned below the labels. You will see the custom fields you defined earlier. Fill out the information in the custom fields as necessary. To ensure tracking, make a habit of updating these fields regularly. Next, assess the consistency of labels across all cards. Go through each card in the list and verify their labels match your tracking standards. Document any discrepancies in a separate note for corrections later. Repeat this process for custom fields to ensure uniformity. Regularly review your labels and custom fields to maintain an organized workflow. Once everything is verified, use the data to generate insights about your project. Implement any necessary changes based on your observations. Keep your labels and custom fields updated for optimal tracking moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.